Hello, we're here at Dr. Kim's home and we're here to actually help everybody understand how practical and easy it is to do induction cooking. So I'll hand over to Dr. Kim to actually show us some of the ways to use your induction cooktop.
Yeah, look, I've got an installed induction cooktop here, but we're going to use the portable one, which I've got on a wooden board here, to see how rapidly water boils. So we have 1 cup of water here, cold water here, and I'm going to turn on the portable induction cooktop here at the power point. Now, what I'm going to do is turn it on here, and it's sitting on low, so I'm going to increase the temperature to the highest level, and I'm going to pour the water in here. So this is induction wok with a ceramic coating. This is how quick it is to boil water on an induction cooktop.
Many Asian families love to cook with gas because they believe that in the wok, to get it to a high enough temperature, they can achieve wok hei. So, Dr. Kim, can you achieve wok hei with induction cooking?
Yes, you can. And you know, the experience, people are just really experienced with gas. It's until they try induction, you don't know. And so I've been cooking a Chinese, my Nonya cooking for a long time. And that's an intersection between Chinese, Malay and Indian food. And we actually do a lot of stir fries in that cuisine. And the induction cooktop has never failed me. We cook everything with stir frying, so we need a really hot pan. And the types of oils we tend to use are rice bran oil, peanut oil, safflower oil, because it has a high smoking point, and which is suitable for stir fry cooking. Now I'm going to cook a vegetarian version of char kway teow, which is a much loved Nonya dish. So, you know, when I changed my induction cooktop, I had these old cooktops. This is a really old ceramic cooktop that I've inherited from my mum. And I've had this Le Creuset for 20 years. And, you know, the way you could tell whether you can use a cooktop on induction is by using a magnet. I've got this from my fridge. And if you look at this, this is the old Chinese ceramic pot. Look at that. It sticks. So you can use this on induction. And with my Le Creuset, which is a little bit heavier, but I'll show you the bottom anyway. So if you look at this, I've had an induction cooktop in my home now for 3 years, and it is brilliant because you can get it so hot. I'll show you the settings here. We've got it on, and I do have a boost setting here where I can get it hot enough to do any stir fry.
Thank you, Dr. Kim, for sharing your home with us and providing all the tips on how easy it is to actually do your cooking with induction. And so I hope everyone learned a little bit about that, especially for Asian cooking.